what our letter will be? This is our new letter and sound. B. 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 Banana. I have a banana necklace and a bag and a belt. B. 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 Banana. Banana. B. 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 Banana. B for ball. This is a bouncy ball. These are my accessories that start with the letter and sound B. B, B, B. So first, there's my bow. There's donuts on it. Second, all of these belts. Third, the banana. The banana necklace, it goes around my neck. Lastly, my bag. Are my accessories pretty or funny or weird? Elijah is going to eat a banana. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. B, 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 b. Letter B. Sound B. This is a book. Queen bee and a baby. This is a book and a queen bee baby. And then this is my bag, a banana necklace, belt, and a bow. Now let's start from these ones. This is a string of beads. Blue tack, you can't really see it. This is a bow. My life cycle bean. A bow. And there's one more thing I found over here. So it's a bottle you can drink from. Now follow what I say. Bow, bag, banana necklace, and belt. Bottle, blue tack, string of bead, handball, cycle of bean or bean, and a bow. So this is how we draw the letter B. This is capital B. First, you go here, go down. From here, you go like that, and then that, okay? But this is too big, so yeah, this is the proper way. You have to do that, and then that. This is lowercase b. You don't go like this. This is how you do it. You go up, come back up, go like that, okay? Anyways, hi! We're doing a scavenger hunt called the Fly Game. If you win it, you get a prize.
I don't want the prize.
Okay, let's start. What's our first word? B. B. Big. B. I. G. Cub. K. A. B. Crab. K. ball, ooh, rabbit, b, e, t. Now, let's revise the sounds we said. I, k, o, g, b, oo, t. Okay, now let's revise the words we did. Bag, bag, crab, big, big, ball, cub, rabbit. Okay, now we're doing the word bank. Repeat the words I say. Black, crab, ball, rabbit, and bill. Now, bent, bag, big, cub, bed, bus, bugs, rub, bump, beg, bad, cab, bet, bin, bit, bat, ban, bell, belt, and best.
Black sheep.